Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, September 29th. We saw a mild low of 70 degrees this morning as southerly flow has brought in a warmer and more moist air mass across the region ahead of a front approaching the area. We are starting to see some shower activity to the south ahead of this front. Currently just seeing partly sunny skies across the Wallops region, but we are going to be seeing a chance of a shower here in the next hour or so. Let's take a quick look at our radar. You can see this batch of showers that is slowly moving north across the peninsula. We're seeing a couple of little isolated cells ahead of this main shower here. Can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm as this continues to migrate northward. Haven't seen any lightning out of it yet, but that could change as we go over the next 30 minutes to an hour here as this continues to move towards the north. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have this front approaching the area. We're going to see shower and thunderstorm chances increase once we get later into tonight, but for the day, we're going to be seeing just chances of isolated showers ahead of this front and perhaps a thunderstorm, but the real threat of rain won't come until we get past about 8 or 10 p.m., and that's when the main front will be crossing the region, bringing periods of heavy rain and some scattered thunderstorms as well, especially between the midnight and 4 a.m. hours later tonight. Let's take a quick look at our satellite across the region. You see there's still a fairly decent amount of area with some sunshine peeking through, especially across the central Delmarva here, and you see that area of some enhanced showers starting to move up the coast that we showed you on radar, and that should be impacting us within the next hour or two. And then once we get between about noon and 4 p.m., we could be seeing a lull in the action. As you see here, there's just some partly sunny skies across southern Virginia, northern North Carolina, not seeing too many showers in this area, and that's going to move over our region. So could be seeing a dry air period after we get through this one batch of showers that's going to move through over the next 2 hours. And then over the Appalachians, you can see this area of enhanced showers and some embedded thunderstorms associated with the main front. That's going to continue to move eastward, and that will be impacting us as we go into later tonight. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing southwesterly winds pretty much across the entire column. Winds 25 to 35 knots between 1 and 6,000 feet, and then hovering between 35 to 40 knots throughout the rest of the column. Seeing a freezing level this morning just above 14,000 feet. For today, we are going to be looking at a high of 77 degrees early this afternoon, and then temperatures will drop a couple degrees as those winds shift more south-southeasterly. We are going to be seeing those temperatures slowly fall throughout the night as we get those rain showers and brief heavy rain and thunderstorms later into the night, and then seeing a much more seasonable low tomorrow morning of around 60 degrees as we get some cooler air behind that cold front moving into the area. We're going to be seeing those southerly winds increase a bit towards late afternoon, becoming 9 to 14 knots and gusty, then shifting more southeasterly as we get towards the afternoon hours at 11 to 16 knots and gusty, and then seeing them increase further when we get into those higher chances of showers and thunderstorms. Could be seeing a wind advisory at times as we go throughout the night, especially when we get into the best chance for thunderstorms between midnight and 4 a.m. Also going to be seeing chances for heavy rain during that midnight to 4 a.m. period. That does look like our best chance to see heavy rain training across the region, as well as thunderstorms as that main front crosses, and then seeing those heavy rain showers continue through about 6 a.m., and then they're going to taper off to just some isolated light rain showers, and it looks like the rain will be out of here by about 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, and you can see those winds shifting south from southwesterly to northwesterly there between midnight to 8 a.m. with that frontal passage, and we'll see that drier, cooler air be ushered in with that northwesterly flow developing by mid-morning tomorrow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently just seeing a few clouds near 4,500 feet, several broken mid-level decks, and then a broken cirrus deck. We are going to be seeing those ceilings around 5,000 to 7,000 feet throughout much of the workday today, with just the scattered cloud decks between 1,500 and 4,000 feet as we get towards the early afternoon periods. Not going to be seeing those ceilings lower too much until we get towards the late afternoon, around 4 p.m. They should become 2,500 feet by then, with a few clouds near 1,000 feet. As we get towards sunset, we'll see those ceilings drop around 1,000 feet after 8 p.m. and then even lower than that in any shower and thunderstorms, and then ceilings becoming 500 feet at midnight when we get that heavy rain, and likely becoming even lower than that at times when we get into those heavy thunderstorms between midnight and 4 a.m. As we go into 6 a.m. tomorrow, we'll start to see those ceilings lift, becoming broken at 1,000 feet, broken at 2,500, overcast at 7,000, and we are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's go through some model guidance here to show you how we could see these showers and thunderstorms develop as we go throughout today and into tonight. Taking a look at a short-term model, we are going to be seeing those showers move across the peninsula. This is noon, and this is what we're seeing on the radar, what we had showed you earlier, with those showers moving north across the region. And does look like that'll be out of here by noon or maybe 1 p.m. at the latest. And then behind there, just seeing the chance of some isolated pop-up showers. Otherwise, does look like chances are pretty good. We should be remaining dry once this batch of showers moves through here in the next hour or two. And you could see this model agrees with that pretty well, just seeing those chances of some isolated showers, thunderstorms pop up. And then the main area of showers and storms will arrive at midnight or slightly before that, and that's going to bring us our best chance of showers, thunderstorms, and some heavy rain, which will persist through about 8 a.m. tomorrow, and then rain does look to be completely out of here by about 9 a.m., which is this time frame here, as we see that cooler and drier air start to get ushered into the region. Let's take a look at longer range outlook here. Here's tonight with those showers and thunderstorms with that cold front. This is 2 a.m. This is a 6-hourly rainfall. So as we go into 8 a.m. here, this is the prior 6 hours, still showing that heavy rain before that. But as we move ahead, it does look like this model agrees that we'll see that rain move out of here by 9 a.m. at the latest, with that those clearing skies behind it, seeing partly cloudy to perhaps even mostly sunny skies by the time we get into the late afternoon hours of Wednesday. And then as we see some weak high pressure will be developing as we go into late Wednesday and throughout Wednesday night, helping to dry things out a bit. We're still going to be having an upper level trough across the region, and as we go into Thursday late afternoon, we're going to see a little bit more energy start to develop along that upper level trough, helping to increase some cloudiness. Looks like the bulk of the clouds will be west and north of the area, so still a decent chance we will have favorable weather for our launch as we go into Thursday night. As we go into Friday morning, we're going to see just a slight chance of some isolated rain showers. I think most of the rain will be north of the region. We'll just see some increased cloudiness here for the first half of the day on Friday. And then once that weak impulse moves out of the area by late Friday afternoon, we're going to see some much drier and cooler air start to move into the area. This will kind of be a secondary cold front reinforcing that cooler air as we have then a high pressure building in behind it for Friday evening. That's going to really clear things out, dry the air out quite a bit, give us some mostly clear skies for Friday night in case we have to go to a backup launch opportunity for Friday evening. As we go into the weekend, we're going to see high pressure continue to draw in some cooler and drier air, so it's going to be a beautiful weekend, highs in the upper 60s to perhaps near 70, and then seeing some chilly morning lows as well under mostly clear skies for both Saturday and Sunday. And then as we go into Monday, we're going to see a weak system develop off of the Carolinas. That's going to then move northward. Still a big question mark on exactly the positioning of this, as the GFS model has it further off to the east, not giving us quite as much rain as this particular model does, but it does look like we're going to be seeing some scattered showers at the very least from this system as this southern stream system develops along the Carolina coast and moves northward on Monday. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be seeing a 30% chance of some isolated to scattered showers as we go into the afternoon today. And then as we go into tonight, we're seeing a 100% chance of storms. And we are going to be seeing those heavy storms. Excuse this wording here. We are going to be seeing those showers and thunderstorms as we go later into tonight. Tomorrow morning, could be seeing just that slight chance of an AM shower. It does look like rain's going to be out of here by 9 a.m. under partly cloudy skies with a high of 72. On Thursday, looking at partly cloudy skies, the high of 75. Clouds will increase a bit towards the second half of the day and into the evening. And then with a low of 58. Friday, it looks like we're going to see our high temperature early in the day, with temperatures dropping. Just a 25% chance of a shower before noon, mainly, and then things are going to start to clear out once we get to the afternoon, and especially the evening as we get some drier air filtering in. High pressure will remain in control for Saturday and Sunday, giving us partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies with cooler temperatures and a much drier air mass, seeing those temperatures in the upper 60s here at Wallops. And then Monday, seeing chance of rain return, currently looking at a 40% chance of scattered showers with a high of 70. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.